Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go and do this makeup look, which is again super easy, and you can wear this on any occasion and on any dress color. You can always change your lip color if you wish to, but this is something that can be worn in any wedding, on birthdays, on any occasion with any color dress. Trust me, it looks very beautiful. So let's see how we got this look. Let's get into our makeup chair. Also, if you want to see how I prep my skin and did my base, please check out my Instagram because I normally do my prepping and my base on Instagram as well. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have already done my base and my eyebrows. Yes, it's all done. Let's move on to the eyes now. So I'm going to prime my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, which is in shade 20. This concealer blends so beautifully. I'm going to set it with the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, which I used earlier. So I have this eyeshadow palette that was sent to me by the company Seprofe. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And guys, you have to see these shades. It comes with a brush, like a spatula kind of a brush. And these are the shades. They are all shimmery shades. And they also send me some beautiful brushes. Alright, so we are going to go and use this palette to create our look. Let's see how do we get it. So because it does not have any matte colors, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a bronzer to kind of just bronze and warm my crease line. Okay, I'm going to use the same bronzer that I used to bronze my face. You need enough to kind of get a crease line so that all the eyeshadows look blended well. Yeah, gone and bronzed, given a transition shade to both my eyes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some swatches. I'm going to show you some swatches of these eyeshadows. This is like a bronze color.
Wow.
They're super pigmented. So because we want to keep it more on the bronzier side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the shade. There's no shade name actually. So I'm going to start with this shade, okay, which is like a very light champagne-y shade, and I'm going to use the same brush that came with it in the inner corner of the eye. We're going to keep this in 1/3 of the eye.
I'm not too used to this brush actually. That's the reason it's taking me so much time.
Okay. The next shade that we're going to use is this bronzy shade. We're going to use this bronzy shade and we're going to use it with our fingers. So we've applied the bronzy shade and the light shimmer shade, and the shade looks really beautiful. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bronzer again, and with a smaller blending brush, I'm going to go and blend all the edges. I'm going to take this black shade from the palette, and I'm going to take an angular brush, tap the excess, and I'm going to line my lash line. It's giving me a very soft wing. It's not too harsh. The black is not too intense actually, which is good. Wow, that wing is so perfect. Do the same thing on the other eye. So I've just created the wing, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a very dark brown shade from the L'Oreal palette. So I'm going to use this brown shade from the palette in the outer corner of my eye. Can you see the difference? It kind of just elongates your eye a little. Let's do the same thing on the other eye. Whatever is remaining on the brush, just drag the product inside. And the next color that I'm going to add in the inner corner of the lower lash line is this bronzy color. So I'm going to take the same pencil brush, tap the excess. Just try to merge the colors. And then again, in the inner corner, I'm going to use the same color that I used, the champagne color. How beautiful these colors look together. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a black kohl pencil. You can take brown if you want, but black will just enhance your eye color and it will look really nice. I'm going to first tagline the upper water lash line. I'm going to add the mascara, which is from NYX, Worth the Hype. Lashes done. Mascara done. I'm gonna go and just apply lipstick. This is a nude lipstick from Maybelline in Clay Crush. You can also apply a dark brown or a red if you prefer, according to your dress, but I just prefer nude. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little gloss. Again, this is from NYX. I'm going to apply some highlighter on my brow bone. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. I love you all. Do take care of yourself. Be good, be safe. And I will list all my social media and the products that I have used in the description box to check that out. Thank you once again. Bye.